As the local and international football fraternities continue to pay tribute to the Reggae Boys' all-time leading goal scorer, Luton Shelton, to my mind, it was his trademark lightning speed that set Shelton apart. And that raw pace went a far way in Shelton becoming Jamaica's record goal scorer at the tender age of 26. And the real disappointment is that since Shelton's departure from international football some 7 years ago at the still tender age of 28, Jamaica has not consciously and strategically gone for raw speed in the national team. We pick players who work hard and who can tackle and who can pass and move, etc., etc. But since Shelton, we have not gone for what should be our favored weapon of speed. Even when teams play against Jamaica expecting speed, we are trying to match them with passing and possession and modern tactical maneuvers instead of playing to our natural strength. And don't tell me, say speedy players are not around. Nonsense. We see speedy players in the local leagues week in, week out, and we keep ignoring them. Say them to this and them to that. But going forward, Jamaica needs to consciously include speed as an integral part of our football philosophy. Call it the Shelton factor, or better yet, the Shelton philosophy, in honor of Luton Shelton.